So as you can see here, basically we're using the sprinkler valve key to go ahead and twist the plunger or the stopper. This is a lot easier if the lever is removed or bent or cracked off. As you can see, I'm using the camera to go ahead and rotate to crack the corrosion. And once it's cracked, you can go ahead and get your steel hanger, but in this case I didn't have any. I went ahead and got a bucket handle, removed it, and bent it into a hook. Works just as good. Once you got that up, it will go ahead and slot in, and since we cracked the corrosion with the CLR and the twisting, because I've noticed that using the hammer, sometimes you can whack it to kind of shock it and break all the debris, but twisting is much more easier to break off all the rust and the gunk that's keeping it basically frozen to the pipe because of all the corrosion. Once it's done, you can go ahead and hook that out, and you are good to go. Again, thanks for watching, and hopefully this helps a lot of people out there, especially since I had basically a plunger stuck in for so many decades.